In this review, we will be discussing in detail about the best RC gadgets available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best RC gadgets, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates. Buying Guide presents Top 5 Best RC Gadgets. Let's get started.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us.
Number 5. Beskar 17 Toy Grade Remote Control Car 4 LED 8 Headlight, Aluminium Alloy Car Shell, Front and Rear Bumper, Precision 2.4 GHz Control, All-Terrain Rubber Tires, 2 rechargeable batteries, reaches a speed of up to 25 km per hour, 2.4 GHz frequency remote control, built-in motor, powerful motor, stable tires. Number 4. Cyma S10-7G 3-channel RC helicopter. 2 selectable frequencies lets you fly up to 2 helicopters at once. Upgraded metal frame for durability. Upgrade gyro system for precise control. 3-channel infrared control, auto stable and precision speed. Miniature size and lightweight. Small size provides agility and speed, made of a unique material to withstand crashes. Super wide infrared control. Number 3. Holystone HS190 Nano RC Drone. Altitude hold, headless mode, high-speed rotations, 3-speed modes, easy to charge, foldable and easy to carry, unlock propellers, 2 ways to charge, 1 button takeoff or landing. HS190 can fold up into a smaller form. Automatic takeoff and landing feature, 360-degree flips are programmed into the drone, full-size controller. Number 2. Grosland Remote Control Car. Fairly lightweight. Functional lights. Resistant to load friction and handles cracks well. Top speed of 8 km per hour. Minimal learning curve due to the user manual. Comes with a user manual. Harmless speed and materials. Scorch resistant. Lightweight and portable. Built-in headlights. 27 MHz controller. Non-toxic ABS construction. Number 1. Toy K Flying Toy Ball Infrared Induction RC Flying Toy. Wireless remote control operation. Colorful LED lights, USB charging, lightweight. High flexibility blades and propellers. It owns resistance to fall, security to use, and durability to control. Flying ball has adopted automatic power-off protection system. When the flying ball falls down to ground or collides with other objects, the power will turn off automatically. Do not turn the toy upside down or it may damage the toy.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.